Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to unlike a liked TikTok. If you've previously liked a TikTok video and want to remove the like, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on Profile from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. Look for the like icon, which is represented by a heart on the slider below the buttons. Tap on the like icon to access your liked videos. Step 4. The liked videos will appear in this section. Scroll through the list and find the video that you want to unlike. Tap on the video to open it. Step 5. To remove the like, tap on the rose heart icon below the video. This will instantly remove your like from the TikTok video. By following these steps, you can easily unlike a liked TikTok video and ensure that your preferences are up to date. It's important to note that unliking a TikTok video is a personal choice, and it's completely normal to change your mind about the content you've liked. This feature allows you to curate your liked videos and reflect your evolving tastes and interests. Thank you for watching, and happy unliking.